This one, the second one. Yes, this is the second pen. Organa senior man. We go do video, put that for YouTube. Yeah. We go make money. We no give Organa, me and you and Samaila. Go the chop am. Organa senior man. They post the number of views. You go dey surprise the number of dollars. Amount of dollars when go dey come out. Okay, this one is the number 3rd pen. It's called pen. My pen they call am. Not be biro. No, not to spell and say, but not be biro. Pen. This is point of layers. Approximately, we get like 500 beds here right now. But you know, even myself, the first time I believe this will be like 100. I don't believe her. This is like 100. I look and say them do few. They tell me say rich, I say allow you. But I was surprised the day we say more count these beds. We count until how many beds we count that be small. 500 and something beds. The four pence we get through. It's about 2,000 beds. That is 40 cartons. 2,000 beds. So when we count them, when we count them, because of mortality rate, some don't die and the rest, we can count out 1,998. 1,998. So hopefully, we will chop egg here. We will sell some, but no one sell us. I want to chop them. We want to egg. One get egg for our belly too. Yes. This is the 3rd pen. Now after now we move to the last pen. They don't eat for this, but no mind this what they do, so they don't eat morning food though. They don't eat well. I know some birds now. Provided seafood, provided the seafood will continue to eat. So this one don't good. Evening time they will eat again. Make them rest. Nigeria had this season. This one is the last pen. Last pen. And here too is about 500 beds. Afa, Lord, we'll make YouTube video, yeah? We'll chop money. These are about 500 pens. Point of layers. Point of layers. Any moment from now, we expect them to start to lay. Any moment from now, because this is approximately would approach 19 weeks. Approximately 19 weeks. So between 20 weeks to 21 weeks, we expect that they will begin to lay. They will go to share egg give Nigerians. free of charge. Yeah, this is approximately 500 beds here. Two strong, energetic, and very lively birds. And Chief Alpha, when the manager himself, a very wonderful man. Tinubu supposed to give him an award. Guinness Book of Record. That's what recognize Alpha. The normal self, our politicians self, they don't even know agriculture. Now people like Alpha, they're supposed to make a minister of agriculture, so that they will help us to revive our dying agricultural sector. They can't carry one old man we don't know anything. We're going to speak grammar alone. This one, now people say one little. You know this one, now when no one come out here. This one don't come on now for soon late. Yes, he go sit bend down. Now go sit bend down. Now go sit the see man. Woman the portion, the white one a man. Woman the portion, lazy man. Lazy man.
That one way the bend down where we soon.
Yeah, go soon late. What time go buy then again? I be one portion if you no agree. Master then go come out. See. 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 Now lay one lay.
That angle, I mean, I made the check that place pass.